Hi, my name is Andrew Fox. I'm with Briggs Stratton. I'm part of our InfoHub team. This year at GIE, we're launching a new package with our InfoHub product. It's for dealers. It's on their demo and loaner equipment. I'll kind of walk you through it, but what we've heard is about 40% of dealers are having trouble recovering their loaner equipment and rental equipment out in the field. So InfoHub is going to give you a quick, easy way to locate it, keep track of your assets. This will work on diesel equipment, on gasoline equipment, whatever it may be. You're able to kind of manage it from one platform here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take you through just a very quick walkthrough of some of the things that you can do. First, you'll notice we got all the equipment laid over on the map here. On the left-hand side is going to be your assets. On the right is going to show exactly where they are on the map. You can drill down and see exactly where they are. On a job site, on a location. If your customers are using them, you know exactly where they are at all times. You'll also get historical tracking, so as you're giving out your loaner and demo equipment, I'm sure you want to know what your customers have been doing with them. It'll help you with your sales pitches and kind of closing some of those sales. So what you can do is pull up the history of all your equipment and see exactly where it was and what it did on a given day. It's going to give you the detail down to the mowing patterns that they used on any job site that they were on. On our dashboard here, helping maintain your equipment, helping with the maintenance schedules and knowing what's going on with that. What we have here is, since we're connected to your equipment, we're able to get the engine hours. So remotely, you're going to know exactly where those hours are. Should you want to be selling it at a certain hour mark. We hear a lot of dealers like to sell those before they reach a certain hour. You're going to know the battery, your voltage on all your equipment, and then from here you're able to set up your maintenance alerts. So you won't miss any of your oil changes, any of your hydro changes, whatever it may be, can all be managed from one point on our website with all of your equipment. Just from a simple drop-down menu and setting the hours, all those can then be delivered to you in a report that you can get daily, weekly, or monthly, waiting in your inbox for you. Another big feature that we have for our dealerships is a feature for geofencing. What this is going to do is going to give you a quick perimeter around your property, and anything that has InfoHub on it, as soon as it comes and goes out of that property, it's going to start tracking what's coming, what's going, how long it's been on site. So there's no more guesswork of when did it leave, when is it coming back, do we have it all there. It's all going to be housed in the InfoHub platform, so it's a one-stop to know exactly what's going on in your business. That's our overview of the InfoHub platform. We definitely have more features we can show you. Please let us know if there's anything we can help you out with.